Love 111 Vol is an application that is used to manage a one-person business, a team, as well as an entire organization, an entire company. After launching the program, we are shown a login window. Here we enter the word human as login and password each time. Then we click on the login button and log into the application. Today we will discuss the Organigram application, which is an organizational chart. And by clicking on the teams here, we have the opportunity to preview our organization or schema. As we can see here, we have individual teams with their assigned members and their assigned functions. Namely, we have information on who is the leader of a particular group, who is the deputy of a particular group. This is labeled as individual icons. An asterisk corresponds to the leader, while the number 2 corresponds to the deputy, for example. If we would like to expand our organization to include individual teams, we need to go to Management in this case. And here we select Organization. And now, depending on where we want to add our node, we can expand our organization with another team. For example, by clicking on plus, we add a test team. And as we can see, our team has appeared. For now, it does not have any members yet. This we can do by clicking on plus. Now we move to the star. Namely, here we will choose from these members a leader. And a deputy. Then we go back. And we can check whether our organization has been expanded. As we can see, another team has appeared, along with the members and information about the leader, deputy, and other functions of the members, such as who is able to provide first aid.